Imagine being able to freeze a moment in time. A time when beauty and perfection are at their peak. With Audi Aftercare Mechanical Breakdown Protection, that dream is a reality. You can freeze time by selecting a protection plan that reflects your needs, with coverage levels ranging from sterling to platinum. And with coverage throughout Canada and the US, Mechanical Breakdown Protection provides worry-free driving and peace of mind against unexpected repairs, covering components like engine, transmission, steering, brakes, suspension, and more. And Mechanical Breakdown Protection covers more than just your vehicle. It protects your complete driving and ownership experience with an array of additional benefits, including 24-hour roadside assistance, trip interruption protection, and car rental. So you can now protect your financial investment while maximizing the resale value with coverage that is fully transferable. And if you don't use it, you can choose between a store credit, a refund, or apply it toward the purchase of a new Audi Aftercare Mechanical Breakdown coverage on your next Audi. And so, that moment in time of beauty and perfection, you can freeze it, and it'll be waiting for you every morning. Visit your Audi dealer for more details on the entire suite of Audi Aftercare protection plans.